Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ella, and in today's video I'll be showing us how to prepare DIY neem oil for fast hair growth. And if you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. So let's go into what we have for today. So the first ingredient will be neem leaves, mustard oil, followed by sesame oil and the coconut oil. We also be adding aloe vera leaf, vitamin E, and the rosemary oil. I also forgot to add one of the ingredients here, which is known as fenugreek seed. So these are the ingredients we've been needing for the preparation of this DIY neem oil for fast hair growth. So in place of coconut oil, you can use castor oil or any oil of your choice. So this is the blended neem leaves and the aloe vera, as well as the fenugreek seed. So I will start by adding oil into my pan. I'm doing double steaming. So I'll be adding coconut oil, and then after I'm done adding, I will pour the blended neem leaves into the oil, and you can choose to mix it before pouring the next ingredient. So I also added my aloe vera. Yeah, you can see how greenish it's looking. So after that, I also added 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, and after adding this fenugreek seed, I mix them together. So make sure it's on low heat and stir it continuously until it changes to dark olive green. Yeah, as you can see, the color has changed. At this time, I needed to bring it down and allowed it to cool for some time. After that, I filtered it using a sieve. You can see the color of the oil. I probably needed to use muslin cloth because there's still some oil I couldn't extract using the sieve. You can see more oil is coming out. So after I'm done straining, I needed to refilter it because I do not want any particles to stick to my hair while using the oil. I went straight to add my vitamin E and the rosemary oil. I added 2 to 3 drops of rosemary oil. After that, I added mustard oil and the sesame oil. To these 2 oils, I added 2 tablespoons of each. I mixed everything together and then transferred it to my bottle. You can transfer to your applicator bottle or any bottle of your choice. So this is the final product. You can apply this oil 2 to 3 times a week. And this oil helps to promote hair growth, treats dandruffs and itchy scalp, prevents premature graying, prevents hair loss, and helps to nourish and strengthen the hair follicle. This is the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification icon so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also don't forget to leave a comment below on what you would like to see more on this channel. Thank you. God bless you.